Okay, this is just going to be a real short video. It's going to be based on something that I've seen recently. It is a solar battery, and it's made me think about a lot of things. We'll start with solar panels. I plan on buying used ones if I can. And what the three most important things, of course, are watts, amps, and volts. Not all solar panels are created equal. Okay, what am I going to do with it then? I'm creating power now, and how am I going to use it? Well, I believe that I'm going to try a couple of electric range top burners buried in sand, and using the sand as a heat sink, and then giving off the heat from the heat sink slowly. So that's where I'm headed. I will do a more in-depth video soon. Thanks for watching, folks. Bye-bye.